Good morning, students. I hope that all of you are well at home. As per routine, today Shomi sir, will take your math class. In my previous class, I did square and square roots. Today, I will do the next chapter, step by step simplification, in your textbook, pages from 136 to 140. Now, open your textbook, page number 136, and listen the given audio clip. An arithmetic expression which involves multiple operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions are not easy to solve as compared to operations involving two numbers. An operation on two numbers is easy, but how to solve an expression with brackets and multiple operations, and how to simplify a bracket? Let's recollect Badmash rule and learn about simplification of brackets. What is Badmash rule? The evaluation of an expression involving numbers is one of the basic tasks in arithmetic. If an expression contains addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, bracket, and off, then the precedence of simplification of the operation is given by Badmash rule. First, we have to know that what is Badmash rule or what is Badmash formula. Badmash rule is a rule of or order that is used to simplify the expression involving more operators in mathematics. When an equation involving more operators, first we have to know that in which order we have to solve the expression. This problem is solved with the help of Badmash rule. The Badmash acronym is B for brackets. The brackets may be first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, or bar. O stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Hence, each letter of the word stands for the first letter of an operator. If an expression involving two or more similar operators that appear in succession, then the precedence is from left to right. By using Badmash, we can evaluate an expression in the correct order of precedence. Anything inside the bracket is done first. Then evaluate any of or powers or roots. Next, do any division or multiplication in an expression working from left to right, and then followed by addition and subtraction again from left to right. Here, division and multiplication have the same priority, and addition and subtraction have the same priority. Okay, then then we have to solve problems or simplify using Badmash rule. Now see the problem given on the board. Here we have to find the value of 2 within third bracket 2 plus 2 within second bracket 30 minus 39 minus 2 within bracket first bracket 17 plus 2 all bracket are closed. Here the given problem is this. Now first we have to simplify the value within bracket first bracket. Okay, so the value of first bracket is addition 17 plus 2, that is 19. So the problem reduced to 2 of 2 plus 2 of 39 minus 2 of 19. Here we see that 2 of 19, that is 38. So the problem reduced to this. Now we have to do the elements in second bracket. In second bracket we see that 39 minus 38, that is 1. So 2 of 1, that is 2 ones are 2. So the elements between third bracket 2 plus 2, that is 4. 2 of 4, that is 8. So by using Badmash rule we can easily simplify this problem, and our result is 8. Okay.